DIY Decor Explained. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving into a popular phrase that's used a lot in the world of arts, crafts, and interior design. DIY decor. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what this phrase means but also the significance behind it. Let's get started. D stands for do-it-yourself. It refers to the act of creating, building, or repairing things by yourself, without the direct assistance of professionals or experts. It's about using your own hands and creativity to make something. Decor, on the other hand, is short for decoration. This can be anything that is used to make a space or object look more attractive or festive. This could be things like paintings on a wall, a vase on a table, or even the way you arrange furniture in a room. When combined, decor means creating decorative items or decorating a space on your own, without relying on store-bought items or professional help. DIY decor has become incredibly popular for a number of reasons. 1. Personal touch. Doing it yourself allows for a personal touch, making the space or item truly unique and reflective of individual style. 2. Cost-effective. Often, creating something on your own can be cheaper than buying it ready-made from a store. 3. Environmentally friendly. DIY can be sustainable as many projects repurpose old or recycled materials, reducing waste. 4. Satisfaction. There's a certain pride and satisfaction in seeing a completed project and knowing you did it yourself. To give you a clearer picture, here are some examples of DIY decor. 1. Hand-painted mugs, using special paints to create unique designs on plain mugs. 2. Upcycled furniture, taking old furniture and giving it a fresh coat of paint or a new purpose. 3. Wall art, creating your own paintings, prints, or collages to hang on walls. 4. Homemade candles, using wax, wicks, and various scents to create unique candles for your home. DIY decor is all about expressing yourself, saving money, and being sustainable. Whether you're looking to spruce up your living space or searching for a new hobby, DIY decor might just be the perfect avenue for you. We hope this video has shed light on the wonderful world of DIY decor. Until next time, keep learning and keep creating.